Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Keynsham today. Oh, the sun's coming out. Oh well, can't complain. Sorry about the shadow though. Okay, yeah, one of my favourites, wooden kit, £1.49. That was St Peter's Hospice. Key imports. Got some glitter on it. Yeah. So that'll go in the car, something to do. I can't remember if I've done a frog or not. I don't think so. Doesn't look familiar. Another jigsaw. I'm actually looking for a specific jigsaw at the moment, one called Clock Repair, I think it is, or Clock Repairer, which is a guy in a workshop with loads of clocks. Because I saw that last year sometime and didn't buy it, and then got into a discussion with somebody about clock faces. And I really would have liked that jigsaw just to talk about the different clock faces on it. Anyway, I spotted this one reduced to 99p, so that caught my eye. Back in the days when rockets looked like that. I wonder if it's actually come from Kennedy Space Center. Somebody on holiday, perhaps. Made in Korea. Actual size 11.5 inches by 35.5 inches. So that's going to be quite a tall jigsaw. That'll be interesting, trying to get that on the table and video it. Free reference poster. I wonder if it's ever been opened. Well, that looks like an... Oh no, that has been opened there. That's been opened there. Oh, we'll have a look at it at some time in the future. Nice bit of history there. 1969. Apollo 11. Armstrong and Aldrin attempt the first manned lunar landing. Yeah, a bit of history. Okay, that's all the charity shop stuff. I couldn't believe my eyes. Poundland got solar wobblers in. I think they're old stock. It's their Easter kit. Bunny, sheep, and chick. I wonder if they got dates on them anywhere. No, I've already got all these, but you just don't see them anymore, so I thought I'd buy them anyway. I'll be in trouble for buying them, but yeah. Oh, and I always buy batteries, well, regularly buy batteries, because I get through so many of them when I'm doing the charity shop stuff, because they always need fresh batteries. Gone up in price, £2 for 18. It used to be about £1 for that many. I think it was £1 for 12 or something for a long time. Anyway, that's it. That's today's charity shop haul. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.